Espantajo.
Yung 330 po.
Yeah.
What number na lang?
Eye level.
NOP.
Saan ang NLP? NOP. Ito na lang ano? P14. So here it is. Espantajo movie. Sir Ricky Lee, I'm Chanda Romero. As what I have promised to you that I'm gonna watch this movie. So where is it? Cinema 5. Sis, pwede ba kayong tissue? Pwede ba siya tissue? Thank you. Where's Cinema 5? There you are. Cinema 5. I'm gonna give you my fearless forecast for this movie before I proceed. Where is it? Espantajo. Oh gosh. Cinema 5. May Cinema 5. Ah, there they are. Gosh. Hold on. Shout out to each every one of you, by the way. Thank you, Lord, for the wonderful blessings that you gave and for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to all my first viewers who never get tired of all my masterpieces. Thank you so much, each every one of you. And to all my silent subscribers and to each every one of you, okay? This one, guys, I love this poster because it's like an oil painting, or her face is just like a figurine, and it's some kind of, even though it's a heavy one made, but I think later on it will fade the canvas and it will crack, and it's some kind of, how do you call that thing? Later on it will break. So there's a meaning on this poster that even though sometimes you are strong enough, you will tend to fall or break down. So it's all up for us, guys and girls, if we do know in ourselves on how to survive in our lives, right? And this is Miss Chanda Romero. And there's a crowd, there's some insects. So let's not hold this back. I'm gonna watch this. How I wish that they will scare the out of me. Okay, so let's proceed before the movie start. Oh gosh, where is it? Ito, kuya, pakisuyo.
Sige po. Sir, thank you.
Come on, guys. So here we are. It's not yet starting. You know what? I read some articles that oh gosh, it's starting. Bye for now.